Hi everyone, welcome back to NailNovice. Today I'm talking you through 3D acrylic roses. These are a great upsell for your clients, but they're not as hard to create as they may seem. The big secret to creating 3D acrylic flowers is to add a few drops of acetone into your monomer. It'll help the acrylic dry out faster, meaning you can continuously work the acrylic without constantly pausing and waiting until the acrylic is at its moldable stage for each petal. So place your first bead of acrylic to one side of the nail and allow this to settle. Then push your brush up from the bottom of the bead towards the centre and shimmy it from side to side to create a sausage shape like this. Wait for the acrylic to turn matte and press the acrylic flat, keeping the tip of your brush in the centre of the flower and using the side of your brush to press outwards. Using the side of your brush will create the indentations that create texture. Repeat these steps to create a 3-leaf clover type outline, and for extra texture these can overlap. Now create a second layer of petals, this time placing them across the join of the petals above. Depending on the size of your flower, you may only need 2 extra petals like I have here. Then place a bead in the centre of your flower and allow this to settle, using the tip of your brush to keep it from spreading as it polymerizes. Press the tip of your brush into the centre of the bead and swirl it in a circle motion to create the outline of a circle, and use the side of your brush to push these edges outwards. Finally, to finish, place another tiny bead in the centre, and depending on the size, you can swirl your brush like we did in the previous step, or even create a tiny spiral to complete the centre of your rose. Depending on the size of the rose, you may only need 1 outer layer of petals, but either way you'll see that this design is super flat and would be suitable for encapsulation. Now that you're familiar with how to mould and press the acrylic, try adding some leaves to the side of the flower to cover more nail. These are a great nail art add-on that don't take long to create but creates an instant wow factor for your clients. That's it for today's tutorial. Be sure to subscribe for more step-by-step sessions.